Hey guys, Nicole Andrews here with Eternity Warrior Fit. Thanks for joining us. So today we're going to continue with this mason jar salad theme and make Caesar salad. Who doesn't love Caesar salad? But a lot of times it's fattening, it's creamy, and has croutons and gluten. And this one doesn't. This one is, we are going to eternify it. So instead of just romaine, we're going to be using baby spinach. We're going to be using organic grape tomatoes. Actually, everything's organic. And then lots of garlic, because this is an atomic Caesar salad. And if you don't want to use Parmesan cheese, you can use Nutritional yeast. Tastes a lot like it. And surprise ingredient, egg yolk. We'll tell you why that's so important and good for you as long as it's free range and organic. No problem there. And sea salt, pepper, olive oil, Dijon mustard, little Worcestershire sauce. And that is it, you guys. We're going to make the best salad. So get your stuff, come back, we'll do it.